for the bedroom 1. This is the door, and this is the window for bedroom 2. Ladies cleaning. This is yeah, this is the other side. So on this part, I haven't had the hard deflex. Anyway, this window can be closed, this small window. Okay. And inside, once we finish the internal hard deflex, of course, because this is a wudu here and comfort room, so we need to have a double wall hard deflex.